Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Code Switch in 2020, where we teach indigenous languages. Today we continue with our speedy lesson, looking at lesson number 18, 5 words of the day. Today's words are as follow. Yesterday, mabane, 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 mabane. Winter, marega, 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 marega. Understand? Kwishisha, 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 kwishisha. Tomorrow, gosasa, 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 gosasa. Switch off, tima, 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 tima. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please go to Code Switch in 2020.